Alright, today I'm going to remind you about linear equation for the coming lessons. What is the meaning of linear equation? It is an equation for the power of variables. It can be x or whatever it is, a, b, c. The power is always 1. So whatever the power is always 1, we call it linear equation. And when we graph it, it is always giving a straight line. So once you see a graph of straight line, it means it is a linear equation. Why? Because for every value of x, there is one value answer for y. For every value we give to x, there is one and only one answer for y. So if we see the x-intercept here, so it will be always 0 and number and 0. So this is x and 0. So always there is a number 1 for the variable of x. Why? If a different graph like this quadratic, it has a 2 solution, and this is not a linear equation, we call it quadratic equation. So I hope the differences are clear now. We'll go on for another warning. Okay, now I will tell you the types of linear equation. Types of linear equation, we have 3 types of linear equation. First one is standard form. A standard form, it is coming in the form of ax plus by equals c. It means the x and the y, the variables, are on one side of the equation, and the rest is constant number. So example like 3x plus 2y equals 6. This is we call standard form. Second form is slope-intercept form. It is coming in the form y equal mx plus b, where m is the slope and b is the y-intercept. If you don't remember what is the meaning of slope, I have a warm-up, you can go and watch it, what it means the slope. Here, point, slope form, it means it is coming in this form y, big Y minus small y equals slope into big X minus small x. This will be explained individually in each lesson. Okay, go on for the next one. Okay, now we will come to remind you what is slope. Many students, they know slope by memorizing, but they don't understand what it means. Slope, it means the inclination of the line. The line inclines in this way, so there is a slope, it has a number, a figure. Now how do we compute the slope? There is no unit for that. Why? Because it is a ratio. It is the ratio between the height of that line and the horizontal distance of that line, which we call it rise and run. So the more rise, the less run. The ladder is difficult to go up. The less rise, the more x-axis horizontal distance, it's easier to go on the ladder. So let me give you an example. Suppose we have 2 points to be pointed on the graph of x and y. 2 and 2, this is 2 and 2, we pointed here point A, and 4 and 5, this is x is 4, y is 5. We connect these two by a straight line. What is the slope of this straight line? Let me tell you how. If we make a line parallel to the x-axis, and this line is parallel to the y-axis, we have a triangle here, which is right angle triangle. Now, I want to know the whole distance from here to here. Is this distance 5? Correct? This is 5. So this is 5. And the whole distance from here to here is 2. Okay? So this is from here to here is 2. Now, how can I get this distance from here to here? It's saying by 5 minus 2. 5 minus 2 is giving me 3. So this is, you see, 1, 2, 3. 3 units. Now, this is, we finished the y, the rise. Now let's go to the horizontal. Now, what is the distance from here to here? It is 4. And what is the distance from here to here? It is 2. What remains here is 2. So 4 minus 2 gives me 2. So this is 2. So the horizontal distance from here to here is 2. So the slope is a ratio. We call it M, slope, equal the rise over the run. The rise is the height, which is Y, and the run is the horizontal, which is X. Now, what is Y? Is 5 minus 2 over 4 minus 2, which gives me 3 over 2. Now this is a ratio. You cannot say this is meter, centimeter. And from this, we can get any slope for any line. What is that? We can say the Y of this point, because this is Y, minus the Y of this point, which is Y of this. So Y2 minus Y1 over the X of this minus the X of this. So the X of this is here, minus the X of this is here, gives me 2. So over X2 minus X1. This gives me the slope. Always take the coordinates of this point, Y2 minus Y1, over X2 minus X1. Last thing I would like to tell you, when it will be positive and negative, always the inclination in this way are positive, and the inclination of this way is negative. Why? Let me tell you why. If you go up, it means you are going positive. If you are going down, it means you are going negative. If you are going right, it means you are going positive. If you are going left, it means you are going negative. So if I start from here, what is the distance going down? It is minus 3. And what is the distance from here? It is minus 2. Minus 3 over minus 2 will give you positive. 3 over. So always in this inclination it is positive. Even if you go from here, start from here, you say 2 because this way is positive, and going up also positive. So 2 and 3, 3 over 2 is positive. While if it is in this form, you can see that going negative and then positive, it will give you negative, or going negative and going up positive, it will give you negative. So always this way the line is negative slope, while this way is positive slope. I hope you understand. Thank you.